Thousands of families spent the new year in evacuation centers as Canlaon volcano continues to exhibit signs of unrest. The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council reported that more than 6,600 families remain displaced during the holiday season. Since December 24, Canlaon has emitted ash 38 times. Meanwhile, 187 volcanic earthquakes and 58 tremors have been recorded. The volcano has been under alert level 3 since its eruption on December 9, 2024. Furthermore, the Office of Civil Defense has advised local governments on Negros Island to prepare for the possibility of an alert level 4. Ayan, so possibility, ganun naman ang preparation nila, sabi nila is when they prepare, they don't prepare to downgrade. Laging, even if it seems kakalma na, they always prepare for a possible upgrade.
Well, lagi namang okay yun. You prepare yourself for the worst case scenario. Kahit na, syempre, di ba, hassle yan nung holidays to spend Christmas, New Year sa evacuation centers. Pero it's better to be on the safe side na rin, di ba? Pero sana hindi na nga magkaroon ng malaking pagsabog si Canlaon volcano.
Kasi aside from yung damage that it can cause sa environment, the air quality gets affected around the area, and long-term pag-emit daw ng yung may specific damage daw sa mga birds around the area, the trees nagiging grayish. So may epekto kasi siya. But we're also taking a look at other volcanoes. You have Mayon, you also have Taal volcano. These are active volcanoes. Medyo kalmado lang sila ngayon. Chill sila ngayon.
Naalala ko nung 2020, remember yung Taal?
Papasok ng pandemic. Umabot na Metro Manila.
Correct. Tsaka mga January siya pumutok eh. Parang start of the year, tapos parang tuloy-tuloy na siya. Nag-COVID, di ba? Parang medyo masama yung start.
I remember that year nagsimula na matay si Kobe Bryant.
Yes.
After that, si Taal nag-emit ng ashfall sa Metro Manila. Tapos yung pandemic na.
Tapos nagkaroon pa ng COVID. Sana hindi na maulit.
Ayoko na yun.
Mamaya may makakausap po tayong feng shui expert. Pampaswerte na lang.
Naku, buti binanggit natin yung mga malas na yun para maiwasan natin, no?